Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 359 or slander by deed. Under Article 359, slander by deed is committed by any person who shall perform any act not included and punished in this title or Title 13 or Crimes Against Honor, which shall cast dishonor, discredit, or contempt upon another person. Ano nga ba ang slander by deed? It is a crime against honor which is committed by performing any act which casts dishonor, discredit, or contempt upon another person. Ito yung libelous act na nagbibigay kahihiyan, pagkasira o pagkahamak sa ibang tao pero hindi pasok as written defamation or slander or oral defamation. May tatlong elements upang maging liable sa slander by deed. First, offender performs any act not included in any other crimes against honor. Yung ginawa ni offender ay hindi liable by means of writing or oral defamation. Ang ginawa ng offender ay hindi through words or voice or in writing, kundi action or gawa. Second, such act is performed in the presence of other person or persons. Ginawa yung act sa harap or presensya ng ibang tao. Third, such act casts dishonor, discredit, or contempt upon the offended party. Yung ginawa ng offender ay nagbigay kahihiyan, pagkasira o pagkahamak sa ibang tao. Example, kung ang purpose ng pagsampal sa mukha mo ay para mapahiya ka, that's slander by deed. Kung ang purpose ng pagsampal sa'yo ay para saktan ka, that's slight physical injuries. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.